Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. If you've ever been frustrated by your sideloaded apps getting revoked, this guide is exactly what you need. These essential tips will help keep your sideloading experience smooth, safe, and trouble-free. Tip number 1. Keep DNS active, always. One of the most common mistakes. People set their DNS to automatic after installing apps. Don't do that. Keep the custom DNS active at all times, even after installation, to protect your apps from being revoked. Tip number 2. Don't use VPN. It might seem like a good idea, but using VPN can actually interfere with the custom DNS settings required for signers like ESign, Scarlet, or Feather Signer to work correctly. Avoid using VPN to ensure the apps stay properly connected through the necessary DNS. Tip number 3. Stick to one signing method. Don't mix signers. If you're using ESign, don't also use Scarlet or Feather Signer on the same device. Mixing methods increases your risk of getting blacklisted. Stick with one signer only. Tip number 4. Avoid overuse. Installing too many IPAs in a short period can get you revoked. Be smart. Only install what you really need. And don't flood your device with unnecessary apps. Tip number 5. Use airplane mode before launching apps. Before you open any app installed via ESign, Scarlet, or Feather Signer, turn on airplane mode. This helps the app from getting revokes. And what if you're already blacklisted? Here's what you can do. Option 1. Full device reset. A full reset can remove the blacklist, but don't forget to back up your data using iCloud first to keep your photos, contacts, and apps safe. Option 2. Use a paid certificate. Don't want to reset? Then it's time to switch to a paid certificate. Follow these tips, avoid the common traps, and you'll enjoy a smooth sideloading experience without constant revokes. Stay smart, sideload safe.